Hi, this is my final project presentation for 426 scalable as system. Here's the Docker Compose file, and I'm gonna build the Docker containers right now. Docker Compose dev, and as you can see, it's building each of the container. Might gonna wait a while. And here we go. It seems like all of them has been built. I didn't run it in detached mode so we can see all the outputs here. So let's open a browser and go to localhost 3000. Here's the application. It's called Poll Creator Pro Max Ultra. It's a simple poll creation application. As you can see, here's the home screen. You can get it. You can get here by clicking on these two buttons, and you can also create a poll with either this button or this button. So let's create a new poll and let's call it presidential election. And the first option, you can vote for me, George, or you can vote for Danny, or you don't vote for me, just Danny and Professor Richards. How about that? So if we click generate poll, it's gonna bring you to the poll page. You can click on these two bars to choose who you want to vote for. Let's vote for Danny. As you can see, he got 1 vote, and he got like 100% of the vote currently, and Professor Richards got 0 votes. Let's open a new window to vote for Professor Richards. And as you can see, once we vote for Professor Richards, it updates the vote count and the percentage, and the blue bar also updates to show what percentage of the vote went to each person. So we can close this and refresh the page, because you can see it's updated here as well. You can click on this button to see all the polls, and currently we have 3 polls that I've created so far. Here you can click view poll to get into each of the polls. You can click here to update. If you go back, you can see the vote count changes. You can also delete poll, which I will demonstrate later. And here is all polls, and it shows the top 3 votes ranked by the total amount of votes they got. So as you can see, this is got the most votes, so it's on top here. You can click into the polls to view it, and you can click into the other poll. Here you can delete the poll, so let's delete this one. How's the cake? Now it's deleted. If you go refresh the page, or it's gonna be removed from the top polls as well. And the last functionality that I'm gonna demonstrate is the search. You can search by keyword. So let's say election, and here's the vote. And similar to all polls page, you can also delete a poll here. If you click delete, it's gonna say no poll can be found. And if you go back to all polls, it's gonna be gone. And if you click on the top polls, it's also gonna be gone. Yeah, let me do that once again. And you can see dinner. If you search for election again, it cannot be found. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.